friends, so this video is related to interview experience of the students of Controller General Patent Design and Trademarking related job, that is Examiner Patent and Design. So Examiner Patent and Design का इंटरव्यू चल रहा है CGP DTM में और कुछ स्टूडेंट्स का 1 अप्रैल को आज पहला दिन था इंटरव्यू का. Let me share with you the feedback. Now as we say, there are 3 components of the interview, like technical part, HR part and IPR part. So from which part more is being asked and how the interview is going. Now there are mixed reactions from students. Number one, there is a panel in which there are 3 members. As per the students, we got the feedback. There are 3 members in the panel. In some members, it are more than that also. But on an average, if I see, there is a 3 members in the panel, and each panel may, I mean, people are going for the interview. So interview on an average 20 minutes to 30 minutes. जो हमें पता लगा है स्टूडेंट से. So 20 to 30 minutes is the interview duration. Now, as this is as per the feedback of the students, which is going on. So the interview is in some of the feedbacks students gave is largely technical. So they are asking your favorite subjects, they are asking the favorite subjects, and they are asking the basic questions from the technical subjects. So it is technical questions are asked very basic. They are not going in depth. Basic technical questions are being asked of your favorite subjects. So prepare your favorite subjects and basic questions. Second feedback is they are having your biodata. So detailed introduction you may not need to give. बायोडाटा उनके पास है और उसी बायोडाटा के बेस पे वो आगे चल रहे हैं. जैसे तुम जाओगे तो शायद वो बायोडाटा तुम्हारा पढ़ के they will read it out for you and they will introduce you to the panel. So the biodata from which you have filled, that the people are already having. Second, they are very much particular about the gap. If there is a gap in your career, they are asking that what happened to the gap, and that question is being asked by management member. So in 3 members में one member is management member and 2 members are technical members. जो हमें पता चला है कि एक member management का है, he is introducing to you, he is introducing you to the panel, and then he is asking what you are doing presently, what is this gap all about, और आपने क्या किया है, and also is asking have you done masters or not so far, why you did not do masters or you have done masters. I mean they are trying to understand कि आप अभी तक क्या कर रहे थे. That is the question they are trying to ask you. And also from IPR they are asking about basic questions, what is patent, and they expect that definition of that. Patent होता क्या है, what do you understand by patent, तो किस तरीके से फाइल होता है पेटेंट और आप इसके बारे में क्या जानते हैं. So those questions they are asking in the interview related to patent and all. So eventually तीनों components में से एक बच्चे का फीडबैक ये मिला है कि he was asked more about biodata and his HR part. One student said no, इसमें से बहुत कम था, because when he was asked the question he was not having many things to share. He was not having many things to share like job या कुछ उसने किया है. So directly they asked him about the technical subjects. So if I am to summarize now, it is like what is there in you, they will ask you more about that. If you have job experience and if you have MTech, or if you want to show something related to HR in your biodata, they find something interesting, they will try to ask you more questions related to that. Like one student gave the feedback that biodata में उन्होंने ये देखा, they kept on asking more questions linked to that. Some students, if they don't find biodata very much interesting to ask many questions, they will ask you your favorite subjects and they will start asking you questions from there. One students they started asking questions from the masters. I mean you've done masters, so MTech में से related questions उन्होंने पूछे. So nutshell में इंटरव्यू 20 से 30 मिनट चलेगा. 3-4 पैनल में मेंबर्स होंगे. कूल है, आराम से वो क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं, बेसिक क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं. इट इज नॉट वर्टिकल, इट इज अ हॉरिजॉन्टल इंटरव्यू. दैट मींस वो बेसिक क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं, वो डेप्थ में नहीं जा रहे हैं, लेकिन क्वेश्चन सब जगह से पूछने की ट्राई कर रहे हैं. और कुछ क्वेश्चन जो मैनेजमेंट वाला पूछ रहा है वो ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है कि गैप आपका क्यों है, आपने अभी तक क्या किया है, व्हाट यू आर डूइंग. सो इन दिस लाइन प्लीज गो फॉरवर्ड फॉर योर इंटरव्यू. ये हमारा जो इंटरव्यू का सारे के सारे मैंने आपको एनालिसिस किया, ये कुछ बच्चों के फीडबैक के बेस पे है. सो टुमारो एंड टुडे आल्सो, एज एंड व्हेन वी गेट मोर फीडबैक, वी कीप ऑन शेयरिंग विद यू. ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स. Prepare with your PDF if you have not started preparation so far. Thank you.